How to connect Instagram to Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook. You can do this from either app and I'll show you both ways. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with Instagram. So open the Instagram app and once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your settings section, simply tap on Account Center. And here at the top, simply tap Profiles and you will see your Instagram account listed here. So to connect Facebook, just tap Add Account and then select Add Facebook Account. And if you are already logged into Facebook on your device, it should detect it automatically. So here just tap on continue and follow the prompts to confirm. And with that, let's close the Instagram app and open the Facebook app. And here on the Facebook app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in the menu section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in your settings, simply tap on See More in Account Center. And just like before, you can go to Profile section at the top and you'll see a Facebook account here. So just tap on Add Accounts and it should detect your Instagram account. And with that, just tap on Continue and then Allow and follow the final prompts to finish connecting. And that's it. Now your Instagram and Facebook accounts are connected. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.